हरि ओम। नमस्कार। हरि ओम। भद्रं कर्णेमिः शृणुयाम देवा भद्रं वसेम छविजयत्राः शिरैरङ्गैतिष्ठवागुंससनो विवसे वहि देवैतं दधायुः शतमिन्नु शरधौ अन्ति देवायत्रा चक्राजरसन्तनूनाम् पुत्रासो यत्र पितरो भवन्ति मानो मध्यारीरिखतायुगन्तौ। ओम सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामया सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। नमः काय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सभी को नमस्कार। भारतीय टेम्पल में, भारतीय मंदिर में आप सभी डिवोटी का स्वागत करते हैं और आइए हम सब मिलकर गणेश जन्म महोत्सव, गणेश फेस्टिवल को भक्तिपूर्वक, श्रद्धापूर्वक, निष्ठापूर्वक हम लोग सब मिलकर एक साथ मनाने की कोशिश करें और श्रद्धा से जो भी हो आपका भगवान के लिए जो भी है, थोड़ा सा धन से हो, तन से हो, मन से हो, तो जिस प्रकार से भी हो आप लोग थोड़ा सा सेवा करने की भावना रखिए। सेवा ही परम धर्म है और कर्म ही पूजा है।
Namaskar. Philadelphia Ganesh Festival is a joint effort by Bharatiya Mandir and Philadelphia Marathi Mandal. We would like to welcome you in this 17th year of Philadelphia Ganesh Festival. We have finished vaccination. Our community has been blessed with a lot of vaccination. So we would like to kickstart the activities after the pandemic. And this year's Ganesh Festival, even though it's moderately celebrated, will be a full-feature Ganesh Festival. We have an excellent team of volunteers lined up this year, excellent programs. I would like you to drop the fear of pandemic and by observing all the health precautions, participate and participate. So this year the festival starts from September 10th until September 19th. I look forward to receiving you and serving you as a Ganesh devotees. Namaskar.
Ganpati Bappa Moria. Hari Om and Namaste. I am Nand Todi, and as founder and president of Bharati Temple, this gives me immense pleasure to invite you and welcome you to 2021 Philadelphia Ganesh Festival at Bharati Temple. Over 15 years, the Ganesh Festival has become a Sarvajanik public festival attended widely by diversified community at large. This year, we will welcome the Lord Ganesha in a grand procession on the Friday, the September 10th, and continue his seva with daily Vedic rituals for 10 days. These 10 days will be filled with elaborate religious pujas and religious and spiritual pujas and memorable cultural events every day as our seva to Lord Ganesha. The temple management invites and welcomes you to the 6th, 17th Ganesh Festival at Bharati Temple. We need your participation and support to make this a very successful and memorable event for everybody. We also invite and welcome all different organizations and volunteers belonging to different cultural backgrounds, working closely, shoulder to shoulder, and demonstrating the unifying aspect of Hindu faith, our traditions, and our spiritual values. Dhanyavad.
Namaskar. On behalf of the Philadelphia Ganesh Festival 2021 core team as well as the countless volunteers, I would like to welcome all of you. This year's Ganesh Festival starts on September 10th and it will end on September 19th. As you know, Philadelphia Ganesh Festival is a religious as well as cultural function. Activities are planned for all 10 days, which will include the religious as well as cultural activities. So we start with the procession on day 1 with dances performed by a young and old on different regional songs from India and followed by our Dhol Tasha group playing the music. Every single day we will also have the Shodashopchar Puja done by our priests, followed by the Aarti and Mahaprasad. On 3 of the days of Ganesh festival, we also have the Gauri Puja, and on weekends we have the Ganesh Abhishekam as well as the Ganpati Kalyanam. We also are planning to have all the youth come back this time into the youth committee. We are excited to use them in different committees and get them a first-hand experience of what happens in each committee of Philadelphia Ganesh Festival. We also are, as we know, most of us are vaccinated, but we will be very, very mindful of people who are not vaccinated. So one and all come together as a family, come and enjoy and celebrate and get blessings of Bappa. Namaskar.
2021 Philadelphia Ganesh Festival core team welcomes you all. After a year-long pandemic, we are eager to come back to normal life, and I believe we will have that opportunity soon. I am sure you all are ready to celebrate Agaman of our beloved Lord Ganesha. The 2021 PGF core team humbly requests your attendance with family and friends at festival. So please come in large numbers and enjoy daily Rajopchar Puja, Aarti, cultural program and Mahaprasad. As you know, volunteers are the solid pillars of this festival. So we urge festival volunteers to participate in various committees to elevate the devotee festival experience and get the great seva satisfaction. Namaskar.
Hari Om, Namaskar, Ganpati Bappa Moria. Welcome to Philadelphia Ganesh Festival 2021. We all have been in this ongoing COVID pandemic grips for last 1.5 years. To bring a semblance of normalcy and to bring back the glory of the Ganesh Festival with its full festive fervor and pomp, we are restarting the Ganesh Festival this year, bringing all the activities in a full-blown scale. At the same time, we are ensuring that we will follow all these safety protocols like masking mandate and social distancing to the fullest extent. And at the same time, for the devotees who are visiting this large festival, whether they'll be able to get parking. Please don't worry about it. We have ample of parking, and through the sign-up genius that has been created for allotting slots to the devotees, we are ensuring that all the devotees who are planning to attend the festival will get the parking in an ample way, and at the same time they are saved of all the logistic hassles. In addition, there will be shuttles running from the PMI location, which is an overflow parking, to ensure the devotees that are attending the festival even on weekends are not required to face the logistical challenges of the parking at a remote place. Coming to decoration, all the 10 days, the Lord Ganesha will go through various alankars, various transformations, and he will be mesmerizing all the devotees in his various forms. So we would request all the devotees to come and grace the occasion and enjoy the Lord in his various forms. At the same time, we urge all the youth leaders and youth committees and youth members of the community to come forward and help us run this festival and celebrate this occasion in a big way, because youth leaders are the ones who are going to be the festival leaders of future. So we are urging at least 6 youth leaders to come forward and step up and help us make this festival a grand success. Thank you and Hari Om.
Namaskar, Ganpati Bappa Moria. It's my great pleasure to be part of Philadelphia Ganesh Festival's core team, and I welcome you and your family at Philadelphia Ganesh Festival celebrated at Bhartiya Temple. It's my immense pleasure to share some of the important aspects of Philadelphia Ganesh Festival with you. Specifically, I'll be talking about Mahaprasad and India Fest. Last year, we could not provide Mahaprasad to our devotees, but this year is going to be different. We are going back to our pre-2019 situation, and Mahaprasad will be served for each and every night. Second important point I would like to mention, this year India Fest is going to be on 18th and 19th of September. Until now we have received tremendous response from businesses. All businesses will be waiting for you in booth and outside for your entertainment and for your shopping experience. There will be food stalls available. So please come with your family and enjoy the festivity here. Thank you so much. Ganpati Bappa Moria. Namaskar.